In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with the crypto trading bot on the BingX app. Now, in case you don't know, BingX app is one of the biggest crypto trading apps that you can use to trade crypto, make money with crypto, invest with crypto, and there are different ways you can make money with crypto on the BingX app. And one of those ways to make money on BingX is through the crypto trading bot, which I'll be showing you everything you need to know about it in this video and how you can use it to make consistent profit for yourself. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, before I go into all of these details, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaneyo and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. How do you make money with the crypto trading bot on the BingX app? Now, if you don't have an account on BingX, make sure you use the link in the description of this video or you check the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account. Just click on that link and you can use it to create an account on BingX. So once you have an account on BingX, go straight to the app and follow everything I'll be teaching you in this video. Now, the first thing you want to do is to deposit money on the app. Now, in case you don't know how to deposit money on the BingX app, I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. So after you've deposited money on the app, the next thing is to go to the crypto trading bot page on the BingX app. And to do that, you come right here to the home page where I am on the screen right now. So this is the home page, and then you click on bot where the arrow is pointing to right there. So once you click on it, it will take you straight to the crypto trading bot page on BingX. Now, as you can see on the screen, these are the different crypto trading bots you have on BingX. Now, the first one is the martingale DCA trading bot. The second one is the futures grid trading bot. The third one is the spot grid trading bot, while the last one is the spot infinity grid trading bot. These are the 4 crypto trading bots you'll find on the BingX app. Now, how do you go ahead to create your own trading bot on the BingX app so you can continue to make money even while you are sleeping? Now, for this video, I'm going to be using the futures grid trading bot and the sports grid trading bot because they are the 2 common trading bots that people would generally use. So those are the 2 trading bots I'm going to be explaining in this video. And for you to know that a lot of people are using these 2 trading bots, if you look at the total investment people are putting into this martingale DCA trading bot, is about $3.1 million. But if you look at the amount that people have put into the futures grid, that's about $458 million, which is a lot. And if you look at the sports grid trading bot, you see that people have put in $218 million. So you can see that people are using the futures grid and the sports grid more than the other trading bots right here. So that's why I'm going to be teaching you how to use those 2 trading bots, which are the futures grid trading bot and the sports grid trading bot. Now, I'm going to be starting with the sports grid trading bot. Now, as you can see where the arrow is pointing to, you can see it says automated buy low and sell high, sees every arbitrage window in a volatile market. So what this means is that if you set this sports grid trading bot, the trading bot will be helping you to automatically buy low and also sell high. So you are taking advantage of arbitrage window in a volatile market and you are making your profit consistently. That's what the sports grid trading bot will help you to do. So to create a sports grid trading bot, just click on where you have this create right here, and then it will bring you to the sports grid trading bot page. Now, the first thing you want to do on this page is to search for the trading pair you want to trade. Now, you can see where you have this BTC USDT, just click on it. And then right here is going to bring out all of the trading pairs that you can trade on this trading bot page. So these are all the trading pairs that you can trade right here. So you can see that there are a lot. So let's say, for example, you want to trade BTC USDT, you will see it right here. This is it. If it's ETH USDT, you will see it right here. And also, you're going to be seeing the minimum investment for each trading pair. So you can see for BTC USDT, the minimum amount you can use is 22.91 USDT. For ETH USDT, the minimum amount you can use is 40.13 USDT. And you will see for other trading pairs right there. So like I said, let's say you want to trade BTC USDT, just click on it. And then the next thing you will see, it will show you a 7-day moving average. That is how the market has been moving every 7 days. This is the chart right here. But if you don't need it, just click on this arrow right here where I was pointing to. Just click on it and to take it away. And then the next thing you will see is where you have these 2 options, where you have auto and where you have manual. So you can see auto and manual. Now, what is the meaning of this auto and manual? Now, this auto means that you don't have to enter anything yourself. You don't have to enter any parameters yourself. Everything will be automatically imputed for you. The only thing you just need to enter right here is just the amount you want to use for this trading bot. That's just it. And right here are the details that have been automatically entered for you for this auto trading bot. So you can see the price range is between $94,524 to $107,000. Now, what does that mean? This means that if the price of BTC is between $94,000 to $107,000, this trading bot will keep trading for you. So for as long as the price of BTC is within that range, this trading bot will continue to take trades for you. But if the price of BTC goes below this $94,524, the trading bot will stop taking trades for you. Or if the price of Bitcoin goes above this $107,000, this trading bot will stop taking trades for you. That's just the meaning of this price range. So if you want to change the price range, that's where you go to manual, this manual right here. But if you want to go ahead with what has been automatically entered for you, you leave it at this auto. That's just the difference. And then when you have this profit/grid fees deducted, you have 0.31% to 0.37%. And then in brackets, you have 23 grids. Now, what is the meaning of this? Now, what this means is that the trading bot can take maximum of 23 trades for you at once. And also, it means that there are 23 intervals within this price range. Remember, the price range is $94,000 to $107,000. So that means there are 23 intervals within that price range. And for every interval or for every grid, the profit you are going to be making is 0.31% to 0.37% for each grid. So once you're okay with all of these parameters that have been automatically entered for you, the only thing you just need to do is to just enter the amount you want to use for the trade. So for you to do that, you see where you have this investment. You can see it has put it there that it must be greater or equal to $22.91. So if you want to use $50, go ahead. If you want to use $30, just put it right there and then go ahead and take your trade. So for this investment, let's say I want to put in $100. I'll just go ahead and put in $100 right there. So once you've entered the amount you want to use for this investment, the next thing is to enter your take profit and your stop loss. So for you to do that, just click on where you have this TP/SL. So I'll click on it. And if I scroll up, this is where you can enter your take profit and your stop loss. So where you have this trigger ratio, just enter the percentage of profit you are willing to make. And where you have the stop loss, put in the percentage of loss you are willing to lose. So I'll be leaving this take profit and stop loss blank for now. So let's go back. Now that's for the auto. Now to the manual. The manual is where you can actually enter all the parameters by yourself. That's the meaning. So for this manual, the first thing is the price range. So you have the minimum price right here and you have the maximum price right here. So for this minimum price, let's say you want the trading bot to take trades for you between, let's say, $90,000 to, let's say, the maximum you want it to be, let's say, $110,000. Then you put it right there. And then next is to enter the number of grids. Don't forget the number of grids I said is the number of trades or the maximum number of trades the trading bot will take for you at once. And it's like the number of intervals between that price range. I hope you understand. Now you can see right here, it says you can pick between 2 to 200. Now this 2 to 200 will also determine the amount of profit you'll make per grid. So for this grid, let's say I put in 40, for example, let's say I put in 40, it will show you the profit per grid. So this is the profit I'll be making for each grid. So for one grid, I'm going to be making 0.26% to 0.36% profit. That's the meaning. And then right here, you come here and put in the investment. So let's say you also want to use $100, just put in $100 right there. You can put in any amount. The minimum is just $22.9. And then you see where you have these advanced settings, just click on it. You see you have trigger and you have TP/SL. Now for the trigger, just click on it. Now this trigger means you should put in the price you want the trading bot to start taking trades for you. That's the meaning. So if I put in, let's say I put in $98,000 right now. This means that this trading bot will not take any trade for me until Bitcoin goes down to $98,000. That's just the meaning. So if you are setting this trigger, it means that you want to set the price at which you want the trading bot to start taking trades for you. That's just the meaning. So for me, I won't put it. So if you don't put it, it means that once you click on create at the bottom side of the screen right here, the trading bot will start immediately. If you take the first trade, immediately you click on create. That's the meaning. So I will not be putting it. I'll just click on it and remove it. So I'm not using it. And then next is to enter your take profit/SL. So I'll click on it. So right here, this trigger ratio, just like the auto, is where you put your take profit percentage, and this stop loss space right here is where you put your stop loss percentage. So let's say, for example, for this, I want to make 50% profit, just put in 50% right there. And if for the loss, you want to make 20% loss or maybe 10% loss, just put in 10% right here. So just put in whatever percentage you are willing to make or whatever percentage you are willing to lose. That's just the meaning. So I'll not be setting the take profit or stop loss. I'll leave it right there. So once you've entered all of these things, just click on create at the bottom side of the screen. And then right here to show you the summary of everything you have entered so you can be sure. So you can see we are trading BTC USDT. The price range is $90,000 to $110,000. That means that this trading bot will be taking trades for me in as much as BTC is between $90,000 and $110,000. And then the profit per grid is 0.27% to 0.37%. And then the number of grids is 40. And then my investment for this trading bot is $100. So I'll just come right here and click on confirm. So just like that, we have created our trading bot. So if you want to view it, just click on view strategy right here. And as you can see right here, the trading bot has started taking trades for us, and we're already seeing some losses right here. So if I click on it, if you click on it right there, so this is where you can see all of the details of the trading bot. You'll be able to monitor how much you are making, you'll be able to monitor how much you are losing, you'll be able to monitor all the trades the trading bot is taking for you. So you can see where it says this running, you can see it says 40. Remember I said the number of grids is the maximum number of trades this trading bot can take for you at once. So we are currently having 40 open orders right here. So we have 40 trades that are waiting to be executed. That's the meaning. So this trading bot will continue to take trades for me, and I'll be monitoring it right there. Now, before I go to the futures trading bot, let me tell you something. Now, this $100 I'm putting into this trading bot, I want to leave it for some days to do experiment on this. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know this is something I always do. When I try a new trading bot or a new copy trading bot, what I always do is that I always try it for some days with my money. So I'm putting this $100 into this trading bot to see how it's going to work. So I want to know in the comment section, should I leave it for 7 days? Should I leave it for 14 days, 21 days, or 1 month? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's for the sports grid trading bot. Now let's go to the futures grid trading bot. Now right here is the futures grid trading bot, and you can see right here it says with upgraded grid, tap leverage to amplify margins and profit. And then if you want to create a futures grid trading bot, just click on create right here, and then it will take you to the futures grid trading bot page on BingX. Now just like I did for the spot trading bot, the first thing is to click on the trading page you want to trade. So where you have this BTC USDT, just click on it, and then if you scroll down, you'll be seeing all the trading bots that you can trade right here. There are a lot. So I'll be using BTC USDT for this also. So just click on BTC USDT right here. So once you've seen that, it also shows you the 7-day moving average. That is how the market has been moving for 7 days. If you don't want to see it, just click on this arrow. And then just like we had the auto and manual for the spot grid trading bot, we also have them for the futures grid trading bot. So you can see you have auto and you have manual right here. But let's start with the auto. The auto is where you have the automatic parameters. That is, they enter the parameters for you already. That's the meaning. So you see these are the automatic parameters that have been entered here. So you see the price range is between $89,000 to $112,000, and the profit per grade is 0.69% to 0.88%, and you have 28 grids. Now the difference here is that you can decide to long, you can decide to short, and you can decide to be neutral. Remember, for spot trading, in case you don't know, spot trading, you can only make money when the market is going up. That's the meaning. But for futures trading, you can decide to make money when the market is going down or when the market is going up. Now you can see right here, you have 3 options. You have the neutral, you have the long, and you have the short. Now for neutral means that you can make money when the market is going both up and down. For long, it means that you make money when the market is going just up, that's when it's going up alone. And then for short, it means that you make money when the market is going down alone. That's just the meaning. So let's assume you want to do the neutral. So just click on neutral right there, and then you'll see the automatic parameters that which I've talked about. Now the second thing that is different right here is the leverage. For sports grid trading bot, we didn't pick leverage. So right here you have to pick leverage, and you see this leverage right here is 5x. They've entered it for you, but if you want to change it, you can change it in your manual settings where you click this manual right here. But this is auto right here. So this 5x leverage. So for this 5x leverage, the minimum investment you can use is $67.75. That's the minimum investment. So if you want to go ahead and do this, just enter your investment right here. If it's $100, just enter $100 right there. And then the next thing is where you see this estimated liquidation price for long and for short. Now, because you are doing the neutral option, you know I said we have the neutral option, long and short. Because I'm using the neutral, you're going to be having 2 liquidation prices. So you have liquidation price for long and liquidation price for short. So remember I said for neutral, you can make money if it's going up and also if it's going down. That means that you can also lose your money if it goes up and if it goes down, remember. So you can see it has advantage and disadvantage. But if you set your stop loss, then you don't need to worry about liquidation price. So I purposely picked the neutral so you can see that it has 2 liquidation prices, because some of you will pick neutral and will be thinking it's only 1 liquidation price you will see. So what this is telling us right here is that if the price of BTC goes down to $34,000, you lose all your money. And if the price of BTC goes up to $182,000, you will lose all your money. That's just the meaning. Though if you are doing it for just maybe some days, maybe 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, it possibly won't go down to this price, or it won't go up to this price. So once you've seen that, just set your take profit and stop loss. Just click on it right here. The percentage of profit you are willing to make, you enter it right here, and then the percentage of loss you are willing to lose, you put it right there. So that's just for the auto. Now let's say you want to use the manual, where you will set everything by yourself. Just click on where you have manual right here. Now the first thing again is to pick whether neutral, long, or short. So let's say, for example, I want to pick the neutral. I'll pick the neutral right there. So for the minimum price, let's say I want it to be $85,000, and then the maximum, let's say I want it to be $115,000. So this is the price range I want the trading bot to take trades for me. And then for the number of grids, don't forget, number of grids is the maximum number of trades the trading bot can take for you at once. And also it's like the number of intervals between the price range. So let's say for these grids, you can select between 2 to 200 also. So let's say I want this number of grids to be 40. I'll just put 40 right there. So let's leave it at 40. And then you come right here to this profit per grid. So that means for every grid, you'll be making 0.61% profit to 0.84% profit. That's the meaning. And then next is select your leverage. So for leverage, it is 5x. If you want to change it, just click on it. And you can pick between 0x to as high as 125x. But for me, I'm going to be leaving it at that 5x. Remember, this is leverage. This is futures trading. You are not trading by yourself. It is a trading bot, so you can't always monitor it. So make sure you are picking a very low leverage and be comfortable with making small but consistent profit. So I'll leave it at that 5x because I think that's okay for me. And then I'll put in my investment. So you can see my minimum investment is $96. Now, this is because of the grid. If you are using a lesser number of grid, the investment or the minimum investment will be lower. So this is 96 because I'm using 40 grids. So if you are using like 20, let me change it to 20. If I change this number of grids to 20, you see that the minimum investment has changed to $48. So if you have $50, you can go with that. But for me, I want to use 40, so I'll just put in 40. And my minimum investment, I'll put $100 right there. So once you put your minimum investment, it will show you your liquidation price. So you can see the estimated liquidation price for long is $49,000, and the estimated liquidation price for short is $158,000. So that means that if it gets to any of these two prices, I'll be losing all my $100. That's the meaning. Now the next thing is to click on these advanced settings right here. So if you click on it, you see where you have trigger and take profit or stop loss. So for this trigger, just like I explained for the spot grid trading bot, you need to enter the price at which you want the trading bot to start. And if you don't enter anything, it means that once you click on create, the trading bot will take the first trade immediately. That's the meaning. So I want the trading bot to start immediately, so I'll not be putting anything right here. And the next thing is to enter your take profit / stop loss. So I'll click on it. So right here is where you can enter your percentage of take profit and your percentage of stop loss. So if you want your percentage of take profit to be, let's say 30%, just put it right there. And if you want your stop loss to be, let's say 15%, just put it right there. So once you're okay with that, just click on create neutral. So for me, I'm not going to be putting this take profit or stop loss, but I will advise that you put your take profit or stop loss. The reason why I'm not putting take profit or stop loss is because this is for an experiment. So I want it to last for the duration of that experiment. So even if it's 7 days we are leaving it for, I don't think the price of BTC can go as high as $158,000 or as low as $49,000 for this experiment. So I'll not be setting the take profit or stop loss because of that. But if you are doing this for yourself to make money, please always make sure you set your take profit and stop loss so that you don't lose too much money. So once you're okay with all of the details you've entered, just click on create at the bottom side of the screen, and then it will show you the summary of everything you've entered. So you can see we are trading BTC USDT, we are trading the neutral position, and we are using the 5x leverage. And then the price range is between $85,000 to $115,000, and the profit per grade is 0.61% to 0.84%. And the number of grades is 40, and the investment I'm putting in is 100 USDT. So once you've seen all of that, just click on confirm. And just like that, you've created your futures grid trading bot. And if you want to see it, just click on view strategy right here. And then you see it under this running. So this is futures grid, and you can see it has started already. So if I click on it, this is where you can see all of the details of the trading bot. So you can always come here to check it out. So in case you don't know how to check it out, let me go back to the home page because some of you might not know. So this is the home page of the BingX app. So if you click on where you have this bot, just click on it, and then you go under running right here. So if you want to check for the futures grid trading bot, make sure that this is on futures grid. Make sure it is futures grid that is written right here. You'll see your trading bot right here. But if it's the sports grid you are doing, just click on this small arrow, click on it, and select sports grid at the bottom side of the screen. So once you select sports grid right there, it will show you your sports trading bot right here. So you click on it and you can see all of the details of that trading bot. So right now I've put in $100 for my futures grid trading bot and $100 for my sports grid trading bot, and I want to leave them for some days. So again, please let me know how many days you want me to leave them for. If it's 7 days, 14 days, 3 weeks, 1 month, any duration you want me to leave them for, let me know in the description below. So if it's 7 days, I'll come back after 7 days to show you the results. Thank you for watching, and in case you don't have an account on BingX, please use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.